Armish, lumabas na yung arirang practice sa Weavers and I'm not okay. I am not okay. So eto na siya, lumabas na siya sa Weavers. Okay, first of all, 14 tracks. 14. 1 to 14. 14 tracks, guys. Let that sink in. And tingnan nyo yung first stream, body to body, hooligans, and aliens. Bakit parang may club banger? Tapos bakit parang biglang existential crisis sa middle? Parang party-party itong mga title na to, armies. Tapos FYA, 2.0, tsaka number 29. Ano to? Lore na naman ba to? Tapos may swim na naka-highlight in black na we don't know why. And the merry-go-round dahil nag-overthink na naman tayo sa swim na to. Tapos, they don't know about us. Excuse me. Personal. Parang ikaw tayo. Bakit tuloy pa sanalo natin that they don't know about us, that we don't know about them? Ganon. Tapos may one more night at saka may please. So saan tayo luluhod? Saan tayo luluhod para mag-please? And then yung ending nila, yung pang 14 nila is Into the Sun. So heartbreak song ba to o healing song? So mag-heal tayo o mag-break yung heart natin? Ano ang totoo dito sa Into the Sun na to? Ayo, ito na siya. Nararamdaman ko, ang susunod nito is concept photos na makikita lang natin finally yung itsura ng album. Ramdam na ramdam na natin ang March, guys. Ramdam na ramdam na natin ang March. Ito na talaga ang the month of comeback, the start of the year talaga ng BTS. BTS is literally back with this track list. So, kung kayo ang tatanungin, which of these 14 tracks, which of this, ang parang feeling nyo na parang itong bet ko, parang itong gusto ko. Anong title dito? Based on the title alone, kung ako papipiliin, parang swim body to body. Parang sexy yun. Parang feeling ko club banger yun, party. And then swim. Kasi ako curious ako kung bakit so black eh. Feeling ko yun yung magiging main song nila dyan sa tracklist na yan. At saka yung like animals, parang rar. Parang sexy yan, hak-hak. So pag hak-hak, dahil rentahin na tayo, doon tayo. So, ayun, comment your top 3 immediately because I need to know if we're crying together or dancing together. So this is your OYL. I'm so happy.